It's 82 degrees and humid out here today. Our game plan is to watch the launch and do some inside stuff. I did hear the hawks this morning from inside the house, but I haven't seen them. And mostly I'm out here right now just to check up on them. I've got my tripod and my camera in the back. I don't mind walking the hill on pleasant days, but at 82 and humid, I'm not too interested. And I've been going out, turning around and coming back in. This must have come down, as I was saying, when my camera battery died. This must have come down after Don went out for his unicycle ride to get the newspaper this morning, because he never would have left that there for me to deal with. I'll just kick it off to the side. Well, I'm gonna have to come down with the blower later to take care of the last little bits. I did blow the pad this morning. That's so when I put Ruby back in the garage, I don't get a bunch of stuff stuck on her tires and carry it into the garage. Tried to clean off my feet here. I vacuumed Ruby yesterday, and I really don't need to bring in a bunch of tree debris into the car. Yeah, we're supposed to have temperatures in the 70s tomorrow, and it feel much more refreshing than today. So, yeah, we're waiting for that. We're already done with the summer heat and humidity, and we haven't even gotten started with it really good yet. Yeah, minus the heat, it would be a nice day for a drive. It's really pretty sky out there today with those big puffy cotton ball clouds. Carolina blue. Well, I don't see any activity, but like I said, I did hear them this morning, so I know they're around. I do feel bad on these days when the weather's not nice and we're not doing as much stuff outside that these guys don't get quite as much attention. I got the glove. I'm going to give them a brush down, hot or not, even if I get 3 or 4 mosquito bites. So while we're watching the pre-launch stuff on SpaceX on YouTube, I'm gonna build a couple of planets. I don't know if I have the bricks to make it look like the Earth. Hopefully I have the bricks to make it look like the sun, but there definitely are going to be some planets installed today while we wait on the fix for the gearing. The launch, pre-launch show up here. I have a lot of Legos out right now trying to get the colors I need. I don't have enough yellow, but I think this is going to look pretty good. And Don was going to go turn on the big TV in the garage and do a little project, but he brought his project to me since I was all spread out on the floor. He's putting handles on his unicycle.
Right.
It's 2:45 and they're getting our hopes up here with the weather. Yep, they're getting our hopes up. I'm making good progress on the sun. As you can see, it's not all yellow. There's a few extra sun flares on this sun.
So this is my M10-3. It's my new unicycle. It's smaller. And I've added this trolley handle to it so I can easily maneuver it around and such as that. It's very handy. It's generally speaking, most people don't like them, but if you're going to walk it, if you're a commuter and you're going to take it inside of a building, or in my case inside of a restaurant at a supercharger stop, you want to you don't have to pick it up and lug it. So anyway, this thing works pretty well. It's retractable. And the other advantage of this thing, let me turn it off here, which is very, very handy, is it's a handle. I mean, it'll stand. It no longer falls over.
Alright, I didn't think they were going up today because the weather looks so iffy. They still may not, who knows, but now that we're T-minus 18, you know, it's kind of dawned on me that they might go, and now I'm nervous. So I'll keep Lego building. That's how I'm staying calm today. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
all fuel, all oxidizer on Falcon 9.
So we didn't see Elon anywhere today in any of the coverage. We wondered if he's actually at the Cape today, or just decided to give some other people on the team a chance to shine. I wondered, you know, if they'd be able to go through all the motions today that they went through on Wednesday. Breathe, Marianne, breathe.
There he
Falcon
is.
9 is in startup. Dragon is in countdown. FTS is armed for launch.
Wow.
Under a minute now, the FTS.
Yeah, you know these guys don't want to go through this a third time tomorrow.
Dragon
We'll
is
tune back in, but you know they don't want to do that. That would just be so disappointing.
SpaceX Dragon.
Frustrating.
Let's light this candle.
Light the candle, baby.
T-minus 30 seconds.
There it is.
Stage 1 tanks pressing for flight.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7,
Comes the water.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Godspeed, Father Doug.
America has launched. So rises a new era of American spaceflight, and with it the ambitions of a new generation continuing to dream. 20 seconds into flight.
T plus 30 second ignition. Flying crew.
Don't do that to us, God.
Look at them go.
Falcon power telemetry nominal.
That was really emotional.
We're throttling down to get ready for the period of maximum dynamic pressure.
Wow, 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 wow. They're on their way. Woo!
Don over there is calm. I'm basically crying.
They're going to continue under power of the
Oh, that was sort of stressful.
Oh, yeah,
It really was stressful.
cut off at SECO, or second engine cut off at about 8 minutes.
Thank goodness.
My girl is all in.
Yep. Well, some of us were watching Challenger, so we won't ever be the same after that. I'm glad they look all calm in the Crew Dragon, but you know, they do sit in their spacesuits. They just kind of, yeah, we're just here. Of course, they've been up before, but still. Well, landing the boosters used to be really exciting, but you know, today it's kind of taken a back seat. I still hope they stick it. I was looking on Lego, and there's a build for the drone ship and the rocket landing. I'll add it to the list.
This is the first Falcon 9 to carry humans to orbit, so very exciting for us.
Well, I've been down on the floor working on this thing for at least 4 hours, maybe going on 5. It's 5:30. I've worked on it the entire time we watched the pre-launch, launch, and post-launch coverage today. I did not have enough yellow to completely do the sun in yellow, which was unfortunate. High night time. You're going to help me, sweetie. Actually, that's midnight. Go back down for a minute. And I'm missing 4 corner pieces so that I can put the top of the earth on. Although the earth looks more like what the earth looked like than the sun does. If I spin the lever down here, I'm turning it on the side, you can see the sun moving, and I can't make the earth and the moon move on their own until part comes. Although I can, if I just spin the earth, you can see that the gears do move correctly. It takes the moon around the earth as well. It's moving over here on the side very slowly in comparison to other movements, but so I'm ordering a few more parts, waiting for a few more parts, and maybe hopefully by the end of the week I'll be able to demo it 100% done one more time. Wow, look at you. I told him it was time to go for the mail and show us how it works. I don't think he was anticipating it to feel any different.
No, I don't. When I lean backwards, my calf touched it, but it doesn't hurt or anything.
Yeah, it's going on 7 o'clock, and this is the first reasonable feeling temperature it's been outside today. Of course, the mosquitoes are biting. Just one little thing, huh?
Little thing.
Huh.